Good morning, afternoon, whatever, family. Finally getting back outside to do some DIY projects. See if I can put another coat on this and get this one sanded. That is the goal for today. I think I want to do like a reed front to it. Anyways, got that popping off, and I literally just trimmed a rose bush because it looks horrible. Or it was looking horrible. And I was even able to get a little bouquet out of it. So that's what we're doing this Saturday. Of course, I've already pumped and all that. And let's get going, y'all. All right, family, happy Sunday. They finally had my chai tea. Headed to IKEA because one of our friends want to go, and I don't never turn down an IKEA day. And then brunch with the girls. So let's get it on and popping. Of course, as y'all know, we got little man in tow. With the crying. I think I might have found my storage solution. It's these cabinets with doors. This is what big it is. Let me look at the dimensions. Oh yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all. So the person in front of me, or they were in front of me, and they just cut everybody else off. They back window was busted. So I'm in line to turn, and I guess the cars was taking too long for them. So they basically just cut everybody off and got in front of like 10 cars and left. I see why your back window is busted out. Like, sir, really? Just side-eyeing. Just side-eyeing, for real. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What up, family? If you're looking for another simple, cute brunch moment with the girls, you got to check out the Asbury down in Charlotte. It's in downtown, right on Tryon Street. Y'all, when I tell you, we always have a good time. This was the menu. Cute, simple, Southern style. Of course, y'all know the mimosas was on deck. This was a wonderful warmed banana nut bread with, y'all just see that goo. Y'all see that chocolate, right? And I'm not a big chocolate fan, but that was giving. It had a little crunch on the end as well with these deviled eggs, French toast, pancakes, and a classic breakfast. And of course, y'all know when we with the girlies, everybody tries everybody's food. Y'all, I would definitely 7 out of 10 recommend this place for a cute little girl's moment. It's a quaint spot. Y'all gotta check it out. Thanks for tuning in. All right, fam. Today is Monday Night Football. Have not picked up the camera. I think I showed you guys the brunch moment. If not, I'll definitely make sure I put it in. And got little man dressed. Panthers playing the Saints. We'll see how this is. And Daddy is out here getting the grill going. He didn't even have his Panther gear on yet, but it's coming, it's coming. Got the green egg going on while he's getting it lit. So, I gotta get our food seasoned so that we can get it on the grill. Say what up, little man. Say hey. Ooh, something is biting me. Let me make sure I don't drop the baby. Trying to not get bit. But that means I need to take him inside if he getting bit. But all right, I'll show y'all we got a little light spread. Again, it's Monday Night Football, so gotta work. But all right, y'all.
Carolina Blue Gold.
All right, fam. Calling it a night. Food turned out great. It was so good. We didn't win. Whew, sorry. We didn't win. We lost by 3. But I'm happy with being lost by 3 than more than that. I just finished pumping and just finished washing the dishes. I got a little stash going on. Like, y'all, I'm happy for this. A little freezer stash that I got. Let me show y'all. My little freezer stash. There's 6 of them here. So hubby's gonna go back to Charlotte and he's gonna take these with him so that little man can have breast milk. And I think I'm just gonna kind of keep this going. You know, my milk has actually increased since I started pumping a little bit more. Like I got almost 2 ounces out of 1 boob today, so hey, works for me. But all right, so I'm gonna pump. I'm going to prep a couple bottles for the nights because I kind of alternate between breast milk and meaning either him latching or a bottle, and I just do that at night. And I got a full load tomorrow, so we gonna go ahead and hit the sack. And I got to pick up my uncle. They went to the game today, so I'm going to take them to the train station back to Raleigh. And we got a full day tomorrow, y'all. I'm probably going to go ahead and pull out my clothes too, like a school kid, so I can be ready. But all right, y'all, this is wrapping up Monday. Deuces. What up, family? Today is Wednesday. Tuesday was really hectic and busy. So I'm not even sure if I ended up popping on the vlog because of that. But here now, I'm parked on train, going down. Yeah, yesterday was really freaking hectic. This is my outfit for today. Just some polka dots. I tried to do a couple pin curls and kind of pin up the back of my hair. Something different, you know, just something different. Today, I'm gonna show you guys the healthcare symposium conference. Probably get some from a food truck. I have some fruit, so let's go. Okay. Of course, y'all already know. Look what they did. I don't think I showed y'all the finished product. And that looks so good.
Yeah, I don't think this will take us.
In one piece. And so that eliminates multiple connections from all your MEP. It gives dedicated lines. Are they? So you walk into right here.
All right, what up, family? Whew, when I tell you, so it is 6:30. I'm still in the office, about to leave. Hubby and little man are with grandma again. So this kind of allows me actually to be able to work like this. Put my hair up. I don't know how successful it looks, but I think I'm the last one here. Like, I don't know. Anyways, Charlotte traffic is crazy regardless. So if I don't leave by 3 in the office, 3-ish, then it's fucking horrible. I shouldn't say it like that, but it is. It's horrible to get home. So you guys saw the conference that I went to earlier, and I think since I had Indian for lunch, I should have shown you guys that, but I didn't think of, oh, let me get my breast milk. I didn't think about showing it to y'all, but it was good, and it was a lot. Like, actually, I ended up eating most of it like throughout the day. So I'm not hungry at all. I think I'm the last one here. I'm almost positive I am. Anyways, getting my breast milk out of our refrigerator. This is our pumping room. So it's kind of like all mine-ish. Well, it's our wellness room, but I pump in it. But you guys know I have the mom cozies that, and I just put them in the refrigerator so that I didn't have to clean them out. But I'm actually able to pump at my desk because they're not the ones that are tethered to anything. So I use those here in the office, and then I use my Spectra at the house. So I'm gonna take it home. I didn't take it home last night, but I'm gonna take it home this time to like clean it really good. But so since I am home by myself, let's go to Home Goods and do some window shopping. You know, you guys saw IKEA and whatnot. So there's some things at IKEA that I want. But now, let's do Home Goods. So I'll see y'all at Home Goods. All right, fam. Y'all already know what time it is. We're going into this good old Home Goods. Let's see what we got. So made it home, and sometimes I like to take our home and kind of play with design elements and whatnot. Oh, excuse me, y'all. It's 12. But take design elements and kind of like put it in Canva and just see what it would do. So things that I've done here is the door. Our door does not look like that right now. So that's completely different. We don't have black windows. Everything is actually all like this cream color. So I wanted to see what it looked like with black windows. Right now we have like a U-shaped window that I do not love, but it goes with like all the little thingies that are, I think valances. I think that's what these are called. So, but anyways, I was just playing around to see like what would this more modern shape be. Obviously a more modern door, a large handle. We do have this sign or something similar. I think you guys have seen that video before. One thing that we will be doing is creating our whole new, our house sits on, oh my God, what is it my husband called this? It's a railroad system right now. That is not the actual term for it. Retaining wall, there we go. Has a retaining wall here, and right now it's wood. So it doesn't look horrible, but it definitely just needs a little TLC. Let me see if I can actually show you. Yes, that's what it looks like right now. But what we want to do, we think, is something like that. And then I was looking at like, what if we German smeared the brick? Like, it gives the house a whole totally different look. Of course, it isn't to scale, but that's just kind of, sometimes I like to play around and just see what our house could look like. We don't have this wood right here either. So y'all can see, it's very much a house that was built in 1990s. And then all of this trim is not black. It's also this color. But yeah, so if you own a home and you want to change it around, but you don't know if you'll like it, you guys should throw your picture in take a picture of your home, throw it in Canva, and just kind of play around with it. You'd be surprised what you would like or what you wouldn't like, you know? What up, fam? Today is Thursday, and I am at my chiropractor, which is a nice lighting. Anyways, busy week, busy day. My outfit of the day. Got some leggings on, a see-through shirt, a Savage Fenty harness. Let's get it going. What? All right, y'all. I always feel so much better leaving the chiropractor. I used to go every other week while I was pregnant, but now I go like every 3 weeks and can even push to every 4. Ooh, it's a bad accident down there. Jesus. The traffic has been horrendous today, so it makes sense why it's a bad accident down there. Hopefully I'll check in with you guys later, but it might be like much, much later.
Our stuff's definitely high end, definitely expensive, and then.
Good morning, good people. It is Friday. I got one deadline finished last night. And as y'all can see, I've taken down everything. Because you remember, we working on this office. So it looks a little crazy. But it's all good. It's all good. I got one deadline finished last night. And I got about 30 minutes until I need to print this next deadline. But y'all already know. Like, I'm literally multitasking at the house, pumping. So I did pretty good on this boob. I have almost 2 ounces there on one boob. And this is technically my first pump since waking up. But I pumped twice in the night last night. Because this boob is a little sore up here. So I'm trying not to get I think mastitis, I think is what they call it. Anyways, I'm going to try not to flash y'all here with my nipples. But, yep. So, again, you remember pumping with the Spectra. So this one, this is a boob that kind of is like being its own, acting weird. So I only got an ounce on that boob. But, hey, I'm not mad at it. Got 3 ounces going. So, yeah. So, I'm just here. Whew. Once I get these deadlines out and catch up on a couple emails and stuff that I have, y'all, we got to do Hobby Lobby today because a friend of mine wants me to do a shirt for her. So that's fine. So I'll take y'all to Hobby Lobby. I showed y'all the home goods. I never showed y'all the haul that I got. Look, y'all. I gotta show y'all these pieces. There's a brand that Home Goods Marshalls has. Yo, I was loving every single piece. But I was like, sis, you can't buy $200-300 worth of clothes right now. You just can't. But anyways, I definitely grabbed like 2 pieces because I was like, these is fire. But yeah, I had me a piece of bacon and I made my chai tea in my little Starbucks cup, my little Hawaii Starbucks cup. And I should have shown you guys the process of that, but my phone was charging and I need to update it as well. But I had some bacon, 1 piece of bacon, and then I had one of those hash browns from Trader Joe's, because y'all, hash browns from Trader Joe's, they is so good. Talked to hubby. He had a long night last night with little man. They come back tomorrow. And I'm going to see if I can get some more DIY in this vlog before they come back. Probably tonight or this evening. I have one of my girlfriends that's going to come up and I'm working on her logo. So I might show a sneak peek of that. I don't know. I'll just have to see how she feels about that. But yeah, so rounding out, I might do a little bit of straightening up. And kind of like make this room look a little better. Especially if I end up having an air mattress in here, because we still haven't done this Murphy bed, and I definitely want to get to that. Like, I think I'll eventually end up buying the wood so we can like get her done, because really that's all we're waiting on is to get the wood. We already have the hardware. And then once I have that, I can kind of like really envision this space. I think I still want to paint it black. I just do. Or like a deep, deep, deep gray. And I might even pull out my Sherwin-Williams color palette, my color swatches, just kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. But I want to take these down, paint the whole wall, take down the window things, probably paint the trim of the window black. paint the baseboards black. Like, I want to paint it just about all black except for the ceiling. I want to put a cool, like, crown molding up in here, all white. And I'm, like, low-key dreading that because I have this unique little whatever. I think I want to do that. Take down these. So it's like so much like little things to do to kind of get this prepped. I might even paint the IKEA thing black, like spray paint it black. Get that situated, like spray paint all the little things on it black. And then put a coat on it. And then the only pops of color would be the blue that I already have in here. And my white tabletop. And then whatever else I bring in. Probably, because I think, I don't know if you guys, well, you'll see in the vlog, I have, I saw this really cool, like, all this counter storage space here. Because ultimately, I need storage. I need as much freaking storage as possible. Especially since we're taking out this, this closet and making it a Murphy bed. I need as much storage as possible. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. Let me get back to work. Let me put this milk in the refrigerator or in the freezer. I think I have enough to start a freezer bag of it. And I'll check in with y'all later. Let me do these little shoes. And this is where we at.
I tell you that. And I like. If I drink a red, I'm too drunk.
All right, what up, fam? So I haven't checked in a while. We are making our own charcuterie board here. You know, we're gonna add a little extraness. We done added some ribs and some potato wedges. We're here at Publix, and you know, we got an assortment of things. This young man is cutting up our fresh pepperoni and fresh blackened turkey breast and fresh chipotle Gouda cheese. So this gonna be good. My homegirl.
This row is half of a quarter pound. I can do another row for you?
Yeah. That is half. Well, it's two of
So
us.
that's an eighth of
Yeah, do one more. And that would be fine.
Yeah.
And that would be plenty.
Yeah.
Actually, you could do, that's an eighth.
Yes.
Can you do half of an eighth?
Yep.
Do that. So, yeah, this is going to be good. I'm excited. So excited. So just seeing if we need anything else, y'all. Most likely not. So this is, ooh, ain't nothing like some freshly sliced meat. We need like a spread, but then do we really? Like, but anyways, super excited. This about to be good. We about to be some fat kids.
Just an eighth.